Hi everybody, it's your girl Kim and I'm back again with another video. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. I truly appreciate it. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people who watch all of my videos, no matter what your girl put out, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthrough, you watching everything. Shout out to you, because you are my MVP of the channel, and because of you I keep posting. So thank you for always supporting your girl. Okay, let's get this video started because I don't want it to be too long. This is a review. Also, I almost forgot, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom, hit that bell, hit the bell, hit that bell. Also follow your girl on Instagram because we're trying to grow. We're trying to grow over here as well as over there, so please support me on Instagram. So yeah, let's get this video started because I don't want to drag it. This is going to be on a candle review, and I'm sorry if y'all heard that in the background, but I guess somebody getting a tree cut, I don't know. Anyway, I want to do this disclaimer really quick. I just want to put this out here. I don't claim to be a professional at all. I don't claim to know how to describe scents to the T or like an expert. I don't claim none of that. I'm just going off of what I smell and my opinion of the product or the candle. I just kind of wanted to put that out there because sometimes when people look at these videos, they think we know, like we are fragrant connoisseurs. No, we are not. Or at least I'm not. I can't speak for nobody else. I can only speak for myself. But I just wanted to put that out there. I just love candles. I love candles. So that's the reason why I come in and I do these reviews, just to give my opinion on the product. That's all it is just my opinion. That's it. I'm just saying. Anyway, I just want to put that out there. Let's get on into the video. This video is going to be on this candle, this toasted coconut cupcake candle. Amazing. And I know it's a lot of coconut haters out there. I know there's a lot of people that really don't like coconut, but I'm a true fan of coconut. I love it because I love coconut so much. Every time Bath and Body Works put out a coconut scented candle, more than likely I'm gonna buy it because I love coconut. And so far they haven't put out a coconut candle that I don't like yet. So I'm just giving my opinion because I love coconut, just like a lot of people who follow me love coconut. But let's get into this one. The scent notes on this one is sweet coconut, toasted almonds, fluffy vanilla cake. Yes. Love the packaging. As you see, cream colored wax. This is a 3-wick candle. Amazing. I absolutely love the label. The label is so cute to me, and with this little illuminating part, it looks so nice when it's burning. Oh my goodness, beautiful. I think out of the whole collection, I like this one better than all the other ones. I think the worst looking one for me is that apple pie one. I don't know what they was thinking, but I don't know. But let's get into this candle. I didn't have any issues with the candle pulling out. This is a new candle. When I first bought these candles, I bought 2. So yeah, if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it at the top somewhere. But yes, I hauled 2 of these candles. When the fall release first came, the candles was like $10 off. So I decided to grab 2 because I knew I would love it, because like I said, I love all of their coconut scented candles. The throw on this, the throw is nice. It is a medium throw, but for me, this one had to bloom a little bit. When you first light it, it did come off as a low throw for me. but as it burned, it just blossomed. It was a nice, strong, medium throw for me. And you get the coconut, you get the creamy vanilla cake. To me, when I think about this candle, I do see a warm yellow cake coming out the oven, and you know, oh my god, warm cake, amazing, the best thing ever. I'm just saying, as soon as you take that warm cake out the oven and you smell it, and you smell that vanilla, to me, that's how this came off. Creamy, coconut, sweet. I really, really like this candle. Amazing, amazing candle. And I personally think the scent notes is spot on. I think the creaminess part comes from that almond, the toasted almond, and then the coconut is just sweet. And the buttery part does come from the cake. I really, really enjoy this candle. And as y'all do know, a lot of people has been comparing this candle to a lot of other candles. I do have a few candles to kind of compare, even though I don't think none of these candles smell like this one. I do have a coconut macaroon. This one has, what is it, toasted coconut, baked cookies, and vanilla bean and spices. This candle do smell like coconut, but to me, it's more of a cookie spice type of coconut to me. I also have my favorite, I love this candle, which is the toasted coconut some more. Amazing, amazing candle. And the scent notes in this one is gooey marshmallow, toasted coconut, milk chocolate, and golden graham cracker. This one smells yummy, I must say, but you can smell the chocolate. You get the graham crackers as well as that gooey marshmallows. So this one does not smell like this at all to me. And then the next one I have, the last one I have, is the toasted coconut mocha. And the scent notes in this one is steamed milk latte, toasted coconut shavings, mini marshmallows. Now this one, it doesn't smell like this one, but I could tell it has the same coconut note in this. This one to me kind of give off a little bit of a chocolate note, even though there's no chocolate in this candle, but the coconut kind of smell the same. So these candles smell similar, even though they're so different. And I think it's because of the coconut that's in both of these candles. I think it's the same note, but the candles are different. This most definitely smells like a cupcake or a cake, whereas this one smells a little bit like chocolate, but like I said, it has that coconut. So I could see why people is saying these two are kind of similar, even though they're not. But yeah. So if you do have this candle and you're kind of curious about the coconut in this candle, it's the, I think, I'm not an expert. Like I said in the beginning, I'm not an expert. This is just my thoughts. I think it has the same coconut as this one, but this one has milk and marshmallows. I'm just saying. And this one is just vanilla cake and almond and coconut. But I will highly recommend this if you are a coconut fan. I highly do recommend this candle. I like it. Most definitely is backup worthy for me. I haven't burned it enough to say if I'm gonna hoard this candle or not. I don't know that part yet, but for me, for now, I most definitely would love to have at least 3 in my collection. So far I already got 2. But I might grab another. It just depends on, once I burn this a little bit more, how I feel about it. So yeah, I know a lot of people is really loving the packaging. Well, X that part. Oh no! my God. I just broke it. Oh, fudge. Shoots. But anyway, leave in the comments. Let me know, what do you think about this candle? Have you smelled this candle? Have you got your hands on this candle? Leave that in the comment area. And I guess that's gonna be it, because I'm a little bit upset that I just broke this candle. So the video is now complete. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, follow your girl on Instagram, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. I gotta clean this up, and I guess I'm gonna be putting this candle in another jar. Oh my God, I can't believe I just did that. Wow, cannot believe it. Bummer. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.